In English, we might say something like, the flight has been canceled, or the flight was canceled. Well, in ASL, we'd go like this. Okay, let's learn how to sign airplane. In this case, this situation, the flight, airplane cancel. All right, here is a sign for airplane. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. The hand shape is like this. And if you recognize it, it's the I love you sign, right? The I-L-Y. How do we make it? Well, go like this. Middle two fingers, put them down. Leave everything else like that. That's the I love you sign. Now we're going to use that to make our airplane. So we're going to put it about like this, like it's flying. And we'll just go 1, 2. Like it's going to fly through the air. Airplane. From the side, airplane. Other side, airplane. Okay, here is the sign for cancel. We're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed. With my non-dominant hand, this hand shape right here, I'm going to put it down here like it's my ledger or my calendar. Dominant hand, I'm going to use the index finger, pointer finger, and I'm just going to go 1, 2, like I'm slashing it off my calendar because it's canceled. Cancel. So my index finger first is going to start here, and I'm going to slash down towards myself. Then I'm going to start over here and slash away in a quick motion. Cancel. From the side, cancel. Other side, front again, cancel. Okay. So we have airplane cancel, and in this context it means the flight has been canceled, flight is, no longer coming, we're not flying. Okay, let's sign it step by step, nice and slow. Airplane cancel. Now, if it really upsets you, in your voice, you'd be like, oh my God, my flight was canceled. Oh, right? Well, put it in your face if you want to show it in American Sign Language. You won't be using auditory noises, but you can put it in your face. Visual is so powerful. So, I mean, these signals right here are just universal wherever you go, right? Oh my God. Okay, again. Sign with me. Let's say we're upset. Let's say we're normal, regular. We can wait around. Or maybe it's your. I'm informing you that the flight was canceled, so I'm not really affected by it. Yeah. Okay, so in this lesson, we talked about how to sign airplane cancel, and in the context here, it means the flight has been canceled in English, all right?